is Alysha and for today I am going to show you a few hijab tutorials that usually being worn by me on my daily basis. So without further ado, let's get started! Hijab styling number 1. For today, I am going to use this chiffon shawl for the first hijab style. It's so flowy, as you can see. This one I got it from Covered Scarf, so I leave the link down below in the description box, just in case if any of you girls want to get this one. If you want to have a secured head scarf throughout the day, you must try inner circle tali. This is what it called. It has this thing where you can tie them at the back, so it is more comfortable and more secure, as it will not easily move when you wear your hijab throughout the day. Thing that you need to do is that make sure one side is long and the other one is short. I mean slightly shorter than this one. And then you're going to adjust the shawl according to your preference. And after that, take the short one and then wrap it around your neck like this. This is my most requested hijab tutorial in Instagram, so I might just share them here. Okay, after that it will look like this. Okay, and then if you want to cure your shawl, you can just pin it on the top of here, but as for me, I would just prefer to go loose. Take the long one and wrap it around your neck on your left shoulder. Like this. And then the tricky part is that you're going to take the back of your hijab and then pull it in on top of your head like this, and then tie both of the end of the shawl at the back of your neck. Make sure that you don't tie them too tight. Adjust the drapes according to your desired length, like this. And there you go, you have the first hijab style. It's going to look like this at the back. Part 1 done. So first, make sure that your hijab is the same length. So for this second hijab style, I've changed into a satin-matte shawl. As you can see, this one drapes so beautifully, and this one I got it from the end scarf. I'll insert the IG link in the description box below too if you want to get this one. This is in the Code Brandy, by the way. So for the second tutorial, I've adjusted the length of this shawl to cover my chest, because some of you guys who's watching this might actually want to see something modest. that is more chest covering. So here I am giving out to you. So you take the one that you've just folded and pinned and put it on the back like this. And after that, you're going to take this one, the long side, and just pull it over on your left chest like this. Or you might need another pin here or another brooch to just secure this place, but I don't have any pins right now, so yeah. So if you're going for a girl next door or a feminine look, you might try this one actually, because you still look cute. Or maybe you can try this tutorial when you are going to your first date. Hi, welcome back. So for the third hijab style, I've changed my shawl into a cotton eyelash shawl. This one is from Hijab Scarf by Wawa. It's actually my friend's business, so if you want to support her hijab business, you can look into the description box. I'll going to insert the link so you can buy more from her. This is so comfortable, and it's not like the common plain and soft cotton shawl. This one is very high quality, although I think, and also it's affordable. Like I bought this one for 20 or 25 ringgit, something like that. But if you want to buy this one too, you can go and check her IG shop. So what we're going to do for today is that we're going to do the most common hijabista style nowadays. This is not suitable for those who want to wear their hijab in a modest style, but yeah. So you will need one short side and another one is the long side. After that, you will need to tie this one with this one like this, and then just pull it like this. Just adjust it like how you want it. This is how you wear it, and you're done. It's just so easy. You just have to take one slightly shorter than the other one, and then you just tie them up, and then make sure the long one is at the back, the shorter one is in the front, so you will have this kind of hijab style. So if you want to secure them, like if you don't want them to see your neck, you can just pin it here. It won't like flow away. So guys, that is all from me. I've shown you 3 hijab tutorials for today. So if you guys have any suggestion of what other hijab styles that I should do, or any comments to improve the way I'm presenting this whole hijab tutorials, you can leave your comments below. So thank you, bye.